Alright, this is the noise my '08 Civic makes when I turn the steering wheel. Alright, so they're here. Now, if you're gonna replace them, I recommend you get the quick fix, which just comes with everything. So all you gotta do is just swap them out. You don't have to, compress the spring and then replace the strut and then all that. So just buy everything, and it'll save you money, time and money. Alright, so to remove this, first we'll need number 12 here. To remove that bolt, we'll need to remove this clip. We'll need 9/16 to remove those three, these pointy ones here. Then we'll need 3/4 to hold right here. Yeah, 3/4 to hold this. I'll get 9/16 here and just start cranking on both, on the top one and the bottom one over here.